Welcome to the Big Data Beard at Build Conference 2019.
Hey Joy, how do you like Seattle?
Seattle is a wonderful town. I'm just glad I am equipped with rain sensors.
Yeah. So Microsoft is always approached on, we've got all these major components inside of Azure, and how do I assemble all these Lego blocks to be able to produce a solution quicker? So what we decided to do was build an open source virtual assistant based platform that allows people to bring their own virtual assistant, their own experiences to market. So I can show you a few examples if you'd like.
Absolutely, let's do it.
So we're at Build, so nothing better than demonstrate some things for Build. Let's do one that's really fun. Scott Guthrie enjoyed this one when he came to see the car. Hey Joy, where's your red shirt?
Sorry, I am not Scott Guthrie, only he is allowed to wear a red shirt during demos.
And it's not Sunday either, so no red shirt Sunday for Tiger Woods.
Exactly. So pretty much that kind of gives you an idea of how you can bring your own personality and everything. It's not something that's just in a box. So where Cortana, if you look at Cortana is the Microsoft assistant. It is meant to be a product, and it has its own unique skills and everything. But if I'm a person who wants, or a brand that wants to bring unique experiences myself, such as if I want to order groceries from Kroger in the vehicle and make sure that they're ready in time, and just-in-time delivery of something that's hot like food or coffee or things like this, being able to do that, you need the assistant to be aware it's in something, and then be able to bring that context in and bring unique experiences that are differentiated. So we don't really see this as a competitor to Cortana or anything of that nature. It actually works in conjunction. So on the backside for us, this is really just enabling more great experiences that can be brought to market for all of the users and many of our customers.
That is awesome. It's incredible technology. How is this going to help save the world?
So think of, as we move forward and we kind of go through additional kind of evolution, especially like automotive and just in general space, it's going to make it where you don't have to worry about as many things and coordinate with different components, which really helps people spend less time having to worry about that and more time with their families or being able to accomplish things. A great example is just like the productivity activities that you can do in the car. Just make it where you can accomplish things safely without distractions. We've spent a lot of time with BMW to be able to work with their UX team to be able to understand what's the way to do this in a safe way, not just cram an iPod into the screen, right? Which those type of experiences can be very distracting, cause issues, and those type of things are where we really see companies like BMW and Microsoft working together to be able to really differentiate and be able to bring great experiences that are also appropriate for the use of the machine that's in front of you, for example, right?
I love it. So last question, where do I get me one of these?
Where do you get one? So you can pick up a BMW at any of your local BMW retailers. And then as far as the experience right now, we're not necessarily announcing a go live date or anything, but we are in active works with them on what it takes to be able to bring these different experiences to market. But it takes a little bit of work to be able to make sure that what you bring to market is viable, safe. Just like for a perfect example, best thing about this in Build is that we're on a LTE connection, public LTE connection, inside of a building with 6,500 people. There's no better place for us to test to see what that does from a performance standpoint and be able to understand how that experience will work.
Well, if you need some additional testing, I'm more than happy to take this one off the showroom floor, drive around for a little bit. But thank you so much for your time today. This is a really cool experience. Thanks.
Appreciate you being here.
Be sure to smash that thumbs up button so we can keep the episodes coming. Until next time, keep being awesome.